Hello champion, George Duhart here from the George's Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to make banana milkshake with oat milk. Before we get started, make sure you hit the link below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate that. Like, share, let the world know. We're changing people's lives one recipe at a time. As you know, in this series, we're talking about how building your immune system is an awesome way to combat against any kind of viruses and keeping you healthy. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna jump right into it right now. So we have the oat milk, which is vitamin A, vitamin C. We're gonna put some oat milk in here. The oat milk, I'm gonna do like 3 cups because it's gonna be a nice milkshake. We're gonna use some blueberries, which is high in fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, antioxidants, which is good for the immune system. So I'm gonna put about that, maybe about a cup or so, frozen. Bananas, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin C. I'm gonna do 2 of these. Boom. I might as well go 2.5. 2.5. Who's driving? So right now, also, we'll use a little bit of maple syrup to kind of give it a little sweetness. Just a little dash, not too much. See, or you can use date sugar, which is low on the index level of how would we call it?
Glycemic.
There you go, glycemic level. So right now, what I'm going to do is we're going to hit this off. We'll be back shortly. Welcome back. So now we've blended this. We wanted to save your ears, so we blended this all up. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in our trusty, let me put this over here so you guys can see it. Look at that color, y'all. Yeah, look at that. Banana milkshake with oat milk. Get that little piece off, right? So let's recap, guys. So we did about a cup of some frozen blueberries, high in fiber and antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C. We did a little splash of maple syrup. We did the oat milk. We did about 3 cups of the oat milk. This is vitamin A, vitamin C as well, right? Mm-hmm. The bananas, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin C. So, with that said, we're going to go right on in and we're going to taste this bad boy. So this is, you talking about immune boosting and deliciousness, and you can make this with your kids. You can make this with your grandkids, your nephews, your nieces. And a shout out to all my great nephews and nieces, my grandnephews and nieces. We got Sugar Plum, we got Jayla, who's Sugar Plum. We got Juliana, which is Sugar Plum's cousin. We got Malaya, and we got Jeremiah, and we got my main man, Jaden, who's my sous chef. So, guys, with that said, make sure you subscribe below, hit the link, share, like, let the world know. We love you guys. And before we go, we're going to taste this right quick. Here we go. Thank you, Lord.
Amen.
Oh, my Lord. That right there. Now, if you want to make it a little thicker, add a little bit more. Because I did the 2.5 bananas. So you can do 3 bananas and make it a little thicker. Now, here's the kicker now. Here's the kicker of thicker. What you can do is you can take this, put this in the freezer, and take it out of this container, put it in the freezer, and then you can redo it up. And you can still have it again for tomorrow. All right, guys. We love you guys. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duhart of George's Live Cooking Show. You guys are awesome. God bless. Fire it up.